Hi everybody, this is John with Envision Robotics, and we've been busy again. I'm joined by Jack.
Hi.
And we've been working on a number of new designs, right? And so one of the ones that we wanted to show everybody, you want to show them now what we come up with?
We came up with coin tops.
Wow. And what denominations do we have those coin tops in?
We have them for pennies, nickels, quarters, and dimes.
Wonderful. And so the largest one that we have, I know you had it in front of you.
We have the oversized quarter top.
Look at that, right? Perfect. And we've made them almost like a Beyblade game, right?
Yes.
And so what do we have on the edge? Maybe you can show them on the edge there a little bit.
We have little spikes.
Like a little serrated edge,
Yes.
right? So when they spin them around, they can use them to knock their opponents out. And so if they want to download, right, where would they find those?
Thingiverse.
Thingiverse, right? So if they go to Thingiverse, they can download it there. But we've also gone one step further, and we're posting a free design tutorial. We did it with TinkerCad, and we're going to post that where?
Our YouTube site.
Yeah, so if you want to actually go step by step, learn how to design these, you can go and find the free tutorial on our YouTube site. Perfect. And what do we want them to do? We want them to
Like, subscribe.
Perfect. Wonderful. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.